Blade Show 2023 with Jason of Rebel Base Forge. Now I met Jason at an ESSE class that I was helping instruct at, and really good fella, and I was glad to see him here at Blade. So, what are you offering this year?
This is one of the models that we prototyped and took to the ESSE class to kind of refine. We call it the loophole. It's a military term that snipers use. Those of you who know, you know. If you don't, look it up. But this is a nice bushcrafting blade. It's made from 80 CRV2. Has about a 3 3/4 inch blade with about a 4-inch handle. We supply it with a fire steel, a ferro rod, a sheath, and the knife. The knife features, like I said, 80 CRV2 steel, which is great carbon steel for outdoor use. Keeps a really good edge, easy to sharpen. This particular model and the other models on the table do have vintage Westinghouse micarta on them that was repurposed from an industrial supply source. So we didn't buy this from any knife making supply or whatever. We try to repurpose materials where we can. Everything's held on with copper ferrules. The coating is KG gun coat, which helps protect against corrosion and rust resistant. Yeah, I love it. It's a great
Enjoy
knife.
testing it at the ESSE class.
Yeah, it did really great. Me and Matt Drake, my partner, we went and we sat through the whole class all through the weekend, did all of the carving, all the whittling. The edge held up perfect. We were still shaving still able to shave the hair off of your skin after the entire 3-day course. It worked out really good. We got a lot of good reviews. So something else we do. This is just kind of a woodsman's cleaver, camp cleaver. You can cut your meat with it, prep your food, split firewood, whatever. This one these are forged from blanks. We get the blanks cut a little short and draw it out to kind of the specifications of what you want. The handles are machined from canvas micarta. This particular one is not vintage. This is sourced from a supply house. We hide the lanyard holes so that you don't have the unsightly hole here. And if somebody wants to use a lanyard on it, they can. I discourage that, but a lot of people like them. If you have a lanyard on something like this and it comes out of your hand, you got a safety hazard.
Yes, for sure.
We'll leave it up to the user.
So, awesome work, man.
Well, thanks. Thank you for your interest.
Appreciate it.
Good seeing you again.
It was good seeing you.